What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Closet Nerds, and we are back with another video. And in this episode, I kind of want to show you guys how I, prep up my mask and everything what I'm about to do. Now, this isn't the same method that I was using, so I'm kind of going to break this down into like a 3-part. But, excuse me. Let's go. First thing first, I'm going to grab this 220 sandpaper. Now, I could use my mouse, but I really don't want to tear up too much details or anything. So I kind of want to keep it. I'm not trying to make it perfect. I just want it to be tapped down just a little bit. So guys, bear with me here. Like I said, just rough. Yeah, I want to get all up in all of these squares. As you can see, it's coming along just a little bit, Bring the lines down just a little bit. You can see how it's coming along so far. Gonna tilt this back, see he says. Yeah, so it's coming. But let's get this done first. All right, now that I got that looking somewhat decent and or presentable, I want to put this to the side. Excuse me. And I will be right back and show you the new method I learned from Darkwing Dad. Stick around. You already know what to do. And if you ain't got a clue, you'll find out by the end of this video. Okay, guys, we are back. First thing you want to start with is this glass. I'm going to use Bondo, the spot putty. But this method, you can use wood filler. I have what's this called? The Dolphin putty. You can use that, whichever one you want. I just like the way the Bondo does what it does. So first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and drop this in there like that. All right. Me, I just kind of eyeball it. You guys can do like a 1-to-2 or whatever ratio you feel like is necessary. And then you want to grab wait a second, I gotta grab this acetone. I'm gonna pop it off the right way. Boop, there we go. Popped it off. And just kind of wanna, again, this is the acetone. Please be safe with this. Wear a mask. Do you? I know what I'm doing at this point. So you just kind of wanna boop, boop, boop. Throw this down. Again, I know exactly what I'm doing. I just want to mix it. Just mix it all in. Mix it up. And you want to get it to like where it's kind of like a paintish type material. I'll let you know. Just look at it like this here. See that? Oh, see, I'm making a mess. Let me mix it first and then explain it to you guys. Put this down here, put that down there. This right here, I'm just gonna flip this. Let me just flip that, and here it is. A little bit more. Now this is something I learned from Darkwing Dad. I can either put it inside my airbrush and spray it on there, or I can do it the way I like it, the way I found out the way I like it. You just go ahead and paint it on. As you can see how that looks? Where's the camera? Oh, I'm mixing too much. I'm missing too much. All right. Now I'm just gonna do that, stir it here. Now what I want you guys to do, well, what I'm going to do, not what I want you guys to do. We're gonna paste this here, right? Put that back there. Remember that brush I said? Use that brush. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And guys, you wanna be very careful with this, okay? Because it dries fast as hell. Can I say hell on YouTube? Well, heck, let's go with heck. You wanna go like that there? I'll put this here. And you just kinda wanna stroke against the brush. Stroke against the scratches. Just go with it, against it, whatever. You can do it just like that. Like I said, it dries very fast. Very, very fast. And it's gonna make it very easy to sand down with my 320. Extremely easy. This is why I didn't really care too much for the whole 220 I just did. Let's get it there. Let's get the nicks and crannies. Let's just do the whole thing. One second, guys. The light is very poor right now. I'm gonna open up the garage door. Plus, it's pretty strong. All right, guys, as you can see, this stuff dries completely fast. So you're gonna do like 1 or 2 takes over it. Me, I'm just doing maybe 2 Now you know what, I'm gonna do 3 all around. If you see the little black spots here, that's only because the mask is breathable. So what I have to do is, once I get all the layers that I want, I have to go and grab my files and kind of get in the nicks and crevices of all of this here. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the helmet off camera. Like I said, this is gonna be a 3-part. This is part 1. You already know what to do. And if you ain't got a clue, this is the end of the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the fam. Join the Nerd Nation. You already know what we do over here. It's everything, all things 3D printing. Hope to see you on the next one.